What's going on? Look, I just decided to hop on a inspirational Zoom to record for you guys. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. It's just some nuggets, man, right? On the nuggets on a little bit of the stock market. I'm gonna be pulling up some things, showing you what you can do, as far as stocks and stuff are concerned. So check this out. I'm going to show you a play that happened today. Show you a play that happened today. All right. Let's get it. So, as you know, we check out the Forex Factory and all that good stuff. We mark up on tradingview.com. Mark up on tradingview.com. Right. So, today we're going to talk about stocks. We're going to be talking about, the difference between holding stocks and uh, holding, regular buy and sell stocks versus options, stock options, right? Stock options is a little bit more volatile, right? A little bit more volatile when it comes to stocks, regular stocks, right? I give them the same thing as penny stocks, right? We can break down penny stocks as well. There's so much topics that go when you're talking about stocks. But just I want you to focus in on this video as far as, what stocks are, which they're assets, right? And this is how you're going to be able to, and stock options is the way that you're going to be able to leverage your money inside the markets, plus building, generational wealth at the same time, right? And I'm going to show you some strategies on here. So tune in as we go to the super charts. We're going to go here. All right. So this is Meta, right? Facebook. So today I saw it do this. I think I got in like down here, right? But I guess we'll go confirm over here to see if I can log into. Okay, I got Charles Schwab on here. Let's see if I can log into Charles Schwab, right? I'll show you the strategy that I use with Charles Schwab as well. So the main thing is, to piggyback on to what I do is you got to create either custodial accounts or things in the name of your children, right? First reason why we should do that is because you're able to give your kids $30,000 tax free, right? Or I think it's like 35, maybe like 15, right? Tax free a year, right? So you might as well um give it to your kids, right? So this broker accounts, right? So you really have to start them off with custodial broker accounts, right? So every time that I make money in the markets, right, I transfer it to them. I transfer it to them, which, like I say, these are their positions inside their accounts, ETFs, right? And right here is where we made in stock options today, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take money out of this. I'll probably take like 150 out of here, put it aside. These two custodial accounts, right, and buy them some stocks. Now, what stocks do you think that we should look at, right? What stocks do you think that we should look at buying long term, right? Well, here's what stocks I believe we should be, going long term. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Make sure y'all watch this all the way to the end, right? Because I'm showing you the strategy. When you make money in stock options, you look for long term plays, right? Let's see. Let's see what long term plays that we have. Let's see what type of long term plays we have lined up here, right? I think we got some. Yeah, so let me see what position. Let me see what position. Let me see what position has. Go here. Well, excuse me. Yeah, it be like that sometimes, man. Excuse me. Yeah, so I'll probably need to go ahead and I want to show y'all this. My throat is dry as a fool, okay? I'm not even going to front with y'all, okay? But I may go run and give me some water. But here's the strategy, man. Stick with me to the end, okay? I'm trying to keep it together. So what's going to happen tomorrow is after this happened with stock options, right? So I found a contract, two contracts for cheap, right? These contracts cost me like $58. Let me get you the direct. Let me get you the direct. You know what I'm saying? Pricing of these contracts. I got like two contracts and it was like 50 something dollars. Oh, okay. Well, we're not gonna fret on that. Summary. Let's go back here to summary. Right. Let's go back down here and navigate down here to individual, right? All right, this happened today, right? Now I'm trying to show you guys how I got in profit. I only had like $77 inside of this account, right? Let's see. Yeah, so yeah, so it's not letting me show you guys, but I only paid $54, right? I only paid all I gotta go to do is history. I paid $59.33, right? I closed out a meta trade for 400 and so I pretty much only spent $59.33 for two contracts. right? And those two contracts printed some money today. So what's going to happen is this has to stay inside of here for a day. Plus, I think one day, yeah, one day plus one, if that's correct. Um, but this has to stay in here, let it hard post pretty much, let the bank do what they do. And what I do is I'm going to transfer $150 from here to my kids, right? Accounts, custodial accounts, and figure out what type of stock would I look into, right? To buy them long term, right? And is it a good time to get into it right now? Let's see. Intel, let's see. How much is Intel? Intel is $121, right? It's not bad. It's not bad for Intel. Um, it's filling up a gap though. See, glad we looked at this. Where the nuggets come in at. It's filling up a gap right here. Filling up a gap right there. So what I would do is I will put an alert right here, right? I'll put an alert right here, right? And I'm gonna name this alert. I name this alert. I name this alert. Here we go. Where we name that alert? Acquisition price. Okay. Message. We're gonna name this alert. Buy, buy, um, and you can put anything in here. Shares here, right? Buy long-term shares here at this zone. Look at filling up a gap and is buyers are coming in. All right. Now this helps us be patient, right? This helps us be patient and oh Lord, here we go again. Why the heck does it do this? Yeah, so I don't know why this joke doing this. Um, they were paying. They always try to get you to upgrade for $1. Nah, I'm good. I'm good on that. Like, do I need to dump some of these over here? So probably got all these joints over here filled up, to be honest. Look, buy more calls that matter. You see that? But yeah, look, this gives us some more time. That gives us some more time to do what we need to do. Right. So alert down here. Or I can just wait until 9:30 hits because that's when stocks actually open up to buy. And what we're looking for is what we're looking for on this. And I'll probably only, with $150, I'll probably only buy one share in each kid's accounts. We're looking for it to drop. We're looking for this. All right, we're looking for that. So we're gonna see. It could do all this tonight, right? It could be coming back down here to 117. We get down to 117. We get down to 117, we good. Put an alert down here below at 117. But look, I'm probably looking at getting into some long-term stocks everything. Crazy. All right. So Intel. I'm looking to get them a share of Intel right now. Right. Or around this area. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, look, you see this? It's filled up a gap now. And it's not even time to even buy yet. Not even time to really buy yet. We want it to be down here. Hopefully it's below here. That'd be great if it's below here for the buy. Just zoom out. Possible. Possible. Possible one. But these right here are strong zones. So this one right here is a strong zone. That one right there is a strong zone. Dang. Yeah, so that's what I see on it. So I'm looking to get into some long-term trades Intel. Now, this is for no investment purposes only. This is only educational purposes, right? Let me go ahead and say that. Let me go ahead and let you understand that as well. I'm just looking at to see what I'm going to get into now. You trade at your own risk. You invest at your own risk, right? I'm not saying you got to get into this, but these are what I'm looking at. I'm looking at other things as well. Let's see. Let's see what other ones I have on my list. Let's see what other ones I have on my list that I need to take a look at to see if I could get in any at a lower. All right, I got my list. Intel. Yeah, so I mean, I just wanted to be with y'all briefly. I'm gonna continue to do my research on these stocks, but that was just, extra some extra things I gave y'all, man, instead of just brokers, right? I'll drop some brokers below, of course. You can always join my free group, Facebook Messenger group. You could always join that and see what we have cooking up at always when it comes to trading, when it comes to educational platforms, right? Make sure y'all comment below. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Um, Jeremy, the Resilient Baker, over and out. Peace.